Imagine this for a moment. You're gliding down a quiet coastal highway. No engine rumble, no vibrations, no fuel smell. Just clean, smooth electric power pushing you forward while the ocean breeze washes through the open windows. The sun is setting, the sky is turning orange and gold, and your entire motorhome feels like a moving luxury apartment. Silent, comfortable, and filled with the soft hum of pure electric energy. This is the future of travel, and it's finally here. Today, we're stepping inside the 2026 Electric Motorhome, a fully zero-emission, ultra-luxury home on wheels that proves you don't need gasoline to experience comfort, power, or freedom. And once you see what this RV offers, you'll realize the future of motorhome living has changed forever.
From the outside, the 2026 Electric Motorhome looks nothing like the bulky RVs you're used to. It's sleek, modern, aerodynamic, the kind of design that turns heads the moment it rolls by. The front end is smooth and sculpted, with LED light bars that stretch across the width of the vehicle, giving it a futuristic signature glow. Every line flows seamlessly from front to back, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. Even the side panels are flush, with hidden doors and cameras replacing traditional mirrors. Everything feels futuristic and clean, as if this motorhome rolled straight out of a concept art drawing.
Down the sides, you see massive panoramic windows, not just for the view, but also coated with solar film that helps charge the onboard battery system. And the roof? A full solar array that constantly feeds energy into the battery bank, allowing you to stay off-grid longer than ever before. At the rear, a sleek light bar and an integrated bike garage hint that this RV isn't only about luxury, it's about lifestyle, adventure, and freedom. But the real magic of this motorhome begins the moment you step inside. The door slides open softly, and the first thing you notice is the silence. That pure, peaceful, electric silence that you just can't get in a diesel motorhome. It feels more like stepping into a high-end apartment lobby than stepping into a vehicle. The air is cool, the lighting is soft, and the design is absolutely stunning. The living area opens up with a spacious lounge that feels like a modern luxury suite. A full-length sofa wraps along the wall, upholstered in soft eco-leather made from recycled plant fibers, sustainable yet incredibly premium. The sofa reclines electrically with built-in massagers and heating. Across from it is a massive 55-inch 8K display built into a floating wooden panel. The screen rises when needed, disappears when not. Surround sound speakers are hidden inside the walls, giving the whole space a clean, minimalist look. Ambient lighting glows along the ceiling and floor, shifting automatically depending on the time of day. Warm tones in the evening, cool daylight tones in the morning. This RV doesn't just react to you, it adapts to you. And because the entire motorhome is electric, the interior stays whisper quiet, letting you enjoy your movies, your conversations, or the view outside without interruption. The kitchen feels like something taken from a modern penthouse. Sleek counters, smooth stone finishes, soft closed cabinets, and an electric induction stove built directly into the surface. You get a full-size refrigerator, a convection microwave, and even a built-in smart oven that you can control with your voice. Everything is efficient and designed to run on clean power. There's also a water purification system and a smart waste recycling feature, meaning longer off-grid stays and less dependence on campgrounds. Next to the kitchen is a dining area that converts into additional sleeping space if needed. But in its normal mode, it's a cozy, elegant space with 2 premium chairs and a fold-out table. It looks simple, but the details make it special. Real wood trim, metallic edges, soft lighting, and windows that tint automatically to reduce glare during the day. And when you're parked in a beautiful location, the windows slide open almost silently, letting fresh air fill the cabin. Walk further into the motorhome and you arrive at the master bedroom, the heart of comfort. This room feels unreal for a vehicle. A full queen-sized bed sits in the center with soft touch fabric walls, hidden storage all around, and a skylight right above you. At night, you can lie in bed and look up at the stars, thanks to the panoramic glass roof that stretches across the ceiling. The bed itself is memory foam with climate control built in, cooling on hot nights, warming on cold mornings. On the opposite side, you get a 45-inch smart display mounted on a minimalistic wooden panel, perfect for movies before sleeping. The bedroom has 2 walk-in style closets, built-in charging pads, dimmable reading lights, and a personal safe hidden behind the cabinet wall. Everything feels modern, airy, calming. You wouldn't believe you're inside a motorhome until you remember that this entire room moves with you wherever you go. Now let's step into the bathroom, and honestly, this might be the most impressive part of the entire RV. The shower is massive with rainfall, mist, and side jets. The walls are finished with stone-textured panels. The sink sits on a floating wooden counter paired with a modern illuminated mirror. And yes, there's a heated floor. In a motorhome, you step out of the shower and the floor isn't cold. That's how far electric power has taken us. There's even a built-in fragrance diffuser, giving the bathroom a subtle spa-like aroma. Everything is motion-activated, efficient, and designed to feel relaxing. But the true breakthrough of the 2026 Electric Motorhome is its powertrain. This RV runs on a dual-motor or tri-motor electric setup, depending on the configuration. Power output starts around 500 horsepower and goes up to nearly 850 in the top version. That means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and the ability to climb steep hills without struggling. Unlike diesel RVs, there's no shifting, no lag, no noise, just clean, smooth push. The battery pack is massive. Think 300 to 350 miles of range depending on conditions. And with regenerative braking, solar charging, and optional trailer battery extender, you can stretch that even further. The RV supports fast charging too, meaning you can add up to 150 miles of range in about 30 minutes at the right station. And because the RV systems are so efficient, almost everything inside can run for hours without affecting your driving range too much. Off-grid living has also reached a new level thanks to the smart energy management system. It prioritizes battery usage, routes power between appliances, and switches between solar and stored energy without you touching anything. You can stay in remote locations longer, travel cleaner, and live quieter. Now, compared to traditional diesel RVs, this electric motorhome isn't just cleaner, it's smarter. It needs less maintenance, has fewer moving parts, and offers a smoother, calmer experience. You don't have engine heat soaking into the cabin, you don't have fumes, and you don't have the constant background noise. It transforms traveling into something peaceful, something almost therapeutic. But how does it compare to other EV motorhome concepts? Well, we've seen electric prototypes from Mercedes, Winnebago, and even some independent designers. But none of them combine long-range capabilities, ultra-luxury interiors, smart energy systems, and real-world practicality like this. The 2026 Electric Motorhome isn't a concept. It's a full, working, ready-to-use luxury EV home on wheels. And that's why people are calling it the future of road trip living. Just imagine waking up in the mountains, opening the window, and all you hear is the sound of nature. No generator buzzing, no diesel idling, just quiet, clean comfort. Or imagine parking by the ocean and letting the solar roof recharge your batteries while you relax. Or gliding through a forest road, knowing your motorhome isn't polluting the air around you. This RV isn't just about traveling. It's about traveling responsibly, beautifully, and comfortably. Now the big question, what do you think? Would you switch to an all-electric motorhome if it meant cleaner travel, smoother driving, and ultra-modern luxury? Or do you still prefer traditional diesel models? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your opinions. And with that, we wrap up the reveal of the 2026 Electric Motorhome. Zero emissions, maximum luxury, and the beginning of a new era in motorhome living. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more amazing RV showcases, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.